So, you've heard of Lunar, right? A sleek, modern-looking card that's been making waves. But here's the burning question: is it a credit card or a debit card? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Before we reveal the answer, let's talk a bit about the difference between credit and debit cards. Credit cards, these are essentially loans. When you use a credit card, you're borrowing money from a lender. You'll need to pay back this amount, usually with interest, by a certain date. Debit cards, these are linked directly to your bank account. When you use a debit card, you're spending your own money. Unveiling the mystery, Lunar's true nature. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Lunar a credit or a debit card? It's a debit card. While Lunar offers a variety of financial products, including investment accounts and savings plans, the core product, the Lunar card, is fundamentally a debit card. This means that when you use your Lunar card, you're spending money directly from your linked bank account. Why the confusion? So, why might there be confusion? Well, Lunar has a unique approach to personal finance. It offers a sleek, modern interface and a range of features that might make it seem more like a credit card. For instance, you can set spending limits and categorize your expenses, features that are often associated with credit cards. The benefits of Lunar. Despite being a debit card, Lunar offers a number of advantages. Cashback rewards. Earn cashback on your purchases, turning your everyday spending into rewards. Easy budgeting. Set spending limits and track your expenses to stay on top of your finances. International spending. Enjoy competitive exchange rates and low fees when you spend abroad. Mobile-first experience. Manage your finances on the go with the Lunar app. While Lunar might have a futuristic feel, it's essentially a modern take on the traditional debit card. By understanding its true nature, you can make the most of its features and benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.